Welcome to this tutorial on how to upload and add fonts in Canva. To get started, make sure you have the font file you want to add to Canva. You can find fonts on websites like DaFont. Download the font file. If the file is compressed, remember to extract it. Next, open Canva. On the left side of the screen, select Text and choose the text box where you want to apply the new font. Click on Font located at the top of the screen. To upload a custom font, scroll down to the bottom and click on Upload a Font. Keep in mind that this feature requires Canva Pro. Navigate to the location of your font file in your downloads or folders. Select the font files and click Open. Follow any on-screen prompts that may appear. The fonts will be uploaded. You can now use the uploaded font in your designs and projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.